Okay, practice parking on the left in a parking lot. And the way we do this, we center the car in the middle of the parking lot, always leaving enough space so another vehicle could pass you by. So whether you're parking on the right or on the left, make sure your car is in the middle of the parking lot, as we are right now. So we intend to back in on the left beside this blue vehicle on the left. So we place the left signal on, keep the car going straight. Now we need to park the car in this lane right here. So we keep going straight until the back bumper of our car is in the middle of the lane that this blue car is in. So you turn your head over your left shoulder and you just keep going straight, but of course you're checking all around as you're moving. When the back of your car is in the middle of that lane the blue vehicle is in, you stop. Place the gear selector to reverse. Get all your turns into the left, steering hand over hand. When you get to the end, do not tighten or bang the wheel, back off. Now check all around, make sure it's okay to do this, and it is. So you ease off the brake and let the car do the job. You just keep checking all around as you're backing in. Now when the car is straight in the lane, as you can see right now, we stop. But the wheels are turned all the way to the left. So now hand over hand until it looks like the face of a clock. There it is. Hand over hand until it looks like the face of a clock again. And now the wheels are straight. So before you move, make sure you check all around and then you back up in a straight line. Now we're absolutely straight in the lane, but we're a bit too close to this vehicle. So you could actually park your car, but I'd advise you to move over a little bit further to the right. So place your gear selector to drive. Turn your wheel all the way to the right. And then when the left side of your vehicle is basically in the middle of the lane opposite to you, then you start straightening to the left. Now it's straight, but the wheels aren't straight. So now recover. Clock, then clock again, and then move just to here. See, we're going absolutely straight now. So you put to reverse and you just keep checking all around as you back up into the parking space. You're totally in, you stop. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park. You're done.